Here is a comparison between GenSpark and Replit. GenSpark can go ahead and help you take notes to your meeting, has AI slides, AI docs, and of course, an AI chat that is free with all top-tier AI models. On the other hand, Replit can go ahead and help you to make apps and sites with natural language prompts. So there are no coded needed. So this is actually good for those people who are not techy enough or good in computer because you can go ahead and put on the prompts that you need, and the Replit agent will go ahead and create the app for you. This is very quick for ideas. Now here's a table for a concise comparison for the two. Now let's start first for the core focus. On GenSpark, it has an executing complex tasks, while Replit has integrated development environment or focusing on building and hosting codes projects. On AI use case, GenSpark has an AI calling agent, while Replit has a collaboration coding. This is actually integrated with Copilot. For the platform model, GenSpark has an enterprise professional workflows, while Replit has a rapid prototyping. So if you're looking for more an AI calling agent that has a professional workflows, then you can go for GenSpark. But if you're looking for very easy AI code generation, then you can go ahead and install Replit.